Can you learn all A to Z animals with us? Hello, kids! Today we will learn A to Z animals and birds together. Let's learn together. Alligator.
Hi, everyone. Let's learn today.
Bear. Cat.
Hi, kids. Are you ready to learn something fun today?
Dog.
Let's learn about animals today. Wow, look! Elephant, fox. Hi, kids. Let's learn.
Giraffe.
Hi, everyone. Let's learn something new today. Horse. Let's learn about the iguana. Let's draw something amazing. It's a jaguar. Kangaroo. Oh!
Wait!
Do you know this animal? Hi, everyone. Are you ready to learn? Lion. Hi, kids. Let's learn. Look, it's a monkey. Hi, friends. Let's learn something new. Nightingale. Hi, everyone. Look what I made. Owl. Let's learn.
Wow!
Panda. Hi, kids. Let's learn something new today. Quail. Hi, everyone. Let's learn.
Rat, rat.
Let's learn. Sheep.
Wait!
Do you know this animal? Hi, friends. Let's draw a tiger. Wow, look! A tiger! Let's learn about this amazing animal. Uriel. Hi, everyone. Let's learn something fun today. It's a vulture. Hi, everyone. Let's learn about the amazing animals we can find in the park today. Wolf. Let's learn about the X-ray fish. Hi, everyone. Let's learn something new.
Yeah!
Hi, kids. Let's learn. Zebra.
Great job! Now you know A to Z animals. Like and subscribe for more fun learning.